Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today we're going to give you an update on our garden video. It's been about 3 or 4 weeks now since we planted this. It's been kind of experimental for me as far as being a raised bed. And the plants have been doing real well. Everything is growing good, and my daughter Susan comes over and brings the grandkids, and they come over and help out. They help weed and just help us take care of whatever needs to be taken care of in the garden. And they also help eat it. Here, Mark and Corinne, they're picking the strawberries that are ripe and eating them. They never make it into the house because they eat them right there in the garden, and that's okay. It's nice to see the kids get out there and enjoy it, and gets them out of the house, and it's just been a pleasure to have them come over. And as far as everything is going well, like I said, plants are growing, and we're kind of excited to see how this thing's continuing to just flourish and grow. And here Susan's picking cilantro, clipping cilantro and onions. And it's been a pleasure for me to be able to spend time with all of them out here. I had a garden, well, we had a garden as a kid growing up with my parents, and there's just no better way to get together with your family than to everybody get out there and make it fun. Have a garden and just watch it grow, and here's the next little generation right here, little Joseph. Pretty soon he'll be getting his hands all dirty, getting out there helping us. Here are the hot peppers. But everything, it's just been growing really well, and I certainly hope that there will be a time when you might be able to do this, and even if you have just a small little patch, to get out there and just plant something and just enjoy it. Watch it grow. And if you like this video, you like this update, I'll certainly bring you more, and hit the subscribe button below. And thanks for watching.
Okay, let's take a picture.
Come on here, Lee. Come on, here, sit over. Why don't you sit here? Why don't you sit over there? Why don't you sit here?
You're sprouting 2 heads out of your side.
These are my little helpers. No, I'm not Santa. Record it?